Yeah, I come to you now speaking to majorly about the, the appetite for sense of leaders that I see. I want to pronounce myself on this as a servant of God, that one thing that is very important is for us to look at service delivery, is for us to look at development, is for us to look at certain elements that are also godly. Because now the level at which Christianity has penetrated our region and our country and let's say our continent as well, should give us some level of sanity in how to deal with the leadership and different elements of management of our society. I was puzzled this morning when I heard about the censor motion of the Speaker of City West now, Lira City, where the councillors convened yesterday a meeting to censor the Speaker, and the quorum that was realized was only 21 members. And today again the council hopes to sit, though the legal provisions I think very many of you are familiar with. But my area of interest is not the legal provision. My area of interest is to announce that when we have installed the leader, forget about the challenges we have in choosing a leader. I am very much well conversant with that. But the most important thing is the Bible says that it is God who chooses leaders. We might have had controversies in the processes that we have used to choose leaders. A lot of small things. Those are some of the challenges we have with embracing systems that we are not acquainted with. However, that is not the main point here. The main point here is once we are already a leader, we should learn to support the leaders we have in place. We should learn to talk to leaders. We should learn to pray for leaders, because that is what the Bible says. That we should support leaders in our prayers. We should support leaders by working with them. We should support leaders by maximizing on the what? Capitalizing on the what? On the positives. Who among you who wants to become the City West Speaker? There's enough faults. I think the most important thing here is let us go down. There are better ways of dealing with challenges like this. Let us first start by exploring those means. Because if our resolutions are always removing leaders, we are all big people. Like I believe the councillors, the leaders we have in place, we are all big people. We have seen different governments come in and different governments go, in terms of like the local government leadership and many others. And we have known the challenges that come along with them. Therefore, I want to speak and say it is very important that we consider putting prayers first, exploring other means of resolving conflicts when we are not satisfied with a certain leader. That would help us more, because we have always been losing a lot of resources when dealing with situations like this, and those resources are supposed to trickle down and help do other things in our local governments and in our communities. I congratulate you all.